Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites and taking the first actions. You confirm the SQL Server service is up, then check the agent service account permissions. Inadequate rights often stop the agent. Once done, open Event Viewer and note any error codes and exact times because they point to root causes. Make sure firewall or network issues aren't blocking SQL connectivity. If the database engine is down, fix that first. The agent cannot run without the engine. Next, you diagnose configuration and internal errors to understand why the agent stopped. Open the SQL Server Agent error log and read the exact messages. They reveal permission, startup, or resource failures. Then check job history to isolate a bad job or step that triggers crashes. Disable suspect jobs temporarily. Also validate MSDB health and free disk space, because MSDB corruption or low space often stops automation. Adjust agent properties like maximum history and account mappings as needed. Finally, you implement fixes, restart the agent, and verify normal operation. Apply the specific correction you discovered, restore MSDB, repair permissions, or edit the failing job step, then restart the SQL Server Agent service and watch the startup messages. Once running, run critical jobs manually to confirm success and re-enable disabled jobs one at a time. Troubleshooting tip: if it stops again, enable detailed agent logging and capture a process dump so you can analyze the exact failure pattern with a debugger or support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.